This video takes us on a profound journey, exploring the astonishing sophistication of ancient Egyptian civilization, with a particular focus on their great architectural achievements such as the pyramids and the hidden mysteries within the Temple of Luxor. Egyptologist R.A. Schwaller de Lubitsch, after 12 years of dedicated research at the Temple of Luxor, proposed a groundbreaking hypothesis that the ancient Egyptians possessed a highly advanced and complete body of knowledge from the very beginning of their dynastic history. He discovered a technique he referred to as transparency. Initially, the small stones embedded into larger blocks were dismissed as mistakes or repairs. However, de Lubitsch realized they were actually intentional markers made by master builders to indicate precise measurements. This led to an even more astonishing discovery. Carvings on opposite sides of some walls appeared to align perfectly, as if the stone block between them were transparent, allowing the design to flow seamlessly. A notable example can be found between rooms 12 and 5 of the Luxor Temple, where a hieroglyph for fabric in room 12 and a fabric container in room 5 align perfectly. De Lubitsch also identified a technique he called transposition, in which symbols and carvings were placed across different sections of the temple to create multidimensional connections. For instance, the solar disk of Montu in room 2 is conceptually projected toward the bark shrine of Amun-Ra in room 6. The content of the shrine is hidden, requiring the observer to explore multiple spaces to grasp the intended meaning. These techniques suggest that the Egyptians not only encoded knowledge into their architecture, but also presented a deeper spatial understanding. The Egyptian temple becomes a living library of knowledge, accessible only through extensive study and immersion. The meaning of the inscriptions and symbols on one wall cannot be fully understood without considering their relationship with carvings elsewhere in the temple. These discoveries also point to a deeper philosophical insight. Transparency implies a belief that solid matter is, in some way, deceptive, and that light, or knowledge itself, is the true fundamental reality. Transposition emphasizes the importance of looking beyond the surface to fully comprehend the temple, requiring movement and experience of the connections between different spaces and symbols. De Lubitsch's approach reflects the principles of Gestalt psychology, which stresses that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts, and that human perception naturally organizes individual elements into a unified whole. The video concludes by raising profound questions about the origin of this knowledge. Were the Egyptians solely responsible for developing these advanced ideas, or were they inheritors of wisdom from an even older civilization, perhaps one that has been lost? It also suggests that connecting ancient Egyptian concepts with modern scientific theories may open new pathways to understanding the mysteries of the past and the nature of reality itself. In summary, the video presents the groundbreaking discoveries of R.A. Schwaller de Lubitsch at the Temple of Luxor, revealing a level of scientific, philosophical, and architectural sophistication in ancient Egypt far beyond previous understanding, while also posing compelling questions about the origin and meaning of this ancient knowledge.